In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up auto roles here in Discord using Carlbot. If you do find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Discord tips. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually minimize out of Discord real quick and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you would like. From here, go ahead and type in carl.gg and hit enter and log into your Discord account up in the very top right. And you're going to have to choose a server that you want it to be applied to. Go ahead and choose whatever server you're trying to edit. I'm going to choose Just Boss Club. From here, it's going to take you to a section that looks something like this right here. Go ahead and pause on this and go back to Discord, because once Carlbot has joined your server, you're going to want to create the role that you want to be assigned automatically. To do this, go ahead and click on your server name and go to server settings right here. Find the roles under this people section right over here. Click it and then hit create role. And from here, you can customize this role to be whatever you would like. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and call this role the real ones. You can now set up the permissions however you would like, as well as change the color of this role. I'm going to go ahead and select blue. Make sure you save your changes at the very end. And then of course, make sure the Carlbot role is actually just ahead of the real ones role right here. You could do this just by dragging the name above it. Now go back to carl.gg, hit skip on this section to actually go to your dashboard here. And this is what your dashboard is going to look like. In this left sidebar over here, you're going to want to go ahead and find auto roles right here, and it's going to be under this moderation section. Go ahead and choose the role that you just created. In this case, it's going to be this real ones role, and then hit save just like so. To test, you can actually go ahead and join your server with another account, and it'll go ahead and automatically receive the role as soon as it enters. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up here. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. But before you leave this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.